Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are rolling up our sleeves to make onigiri, the iconic Japanese rice balls wrapped in seaweed and filled with a variety of flavorful ingredients. These portable foods are a timeless staple in Japan, loved for their convenience and deliciousness. We'll walk you through simple steps to create these tasty treats perfect for on-the-go eating or as a cherished part of any meal. Ready to get your hands rice ready? Let's make onigiri! Let's look over the ingredients. Today we'll be making 4 different types of onigiri, each with a unique filling that will keep your taste buds wanting more. From the classic salmon to the sweet and savory teriyaki chicken, the tantalizing Cod Mayo, and the ever so simple but delicious Tuna Mayo. We've got a different something for everyone. We'll start with the salmon. Remove any bones at this time. It's okay if the salmon breaks apart a bit because we'll be flaking it later. Place the salmon in a pan with sake and mirin and cook over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt and break the salmon into flakes with a wooden spoon or chopsticks while cooking to evaporate the moisture. If you're using the salted salmon, you can reduce or omit the extra salt. And don't forget to remove the skin from the salmon at this point. Once the salmon is cooked and most of the liquid has evaporated, stir in sesame oil to coat evenly and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Next, let's move on to the teriyaki chicken. If you have whole or large chicken breast, cut them into small pieces like we have here. Marinate the chicken with potato starch and sake. Heat sesame oil in a pan and cook the chicken until both sides are golden brown. Once the chicken is seared, add the sauce mixture and cook until the liquid is mostly reduced, ensuring the sauce coats the chicken beautifully. For the Cod Mayo, just mix your desired amount of tarako with mayonnaise. Remove the skin if you prefer. I love it, so I keep it on. For the Tuna Mayo, drain the excess oil from the can. Add mayonnaise to taste and mix right in the can. Now, let's shape the onigiri. If you are not a fan of nori, feel free to skip it. If you are, cut the nori sheet into 3 pieces each. Keep in mind that nori has a shiny side and a left side. The shiny side should be facing out, and the left side is where the rice goes. Make sure to check this before you start assembling your onigiri. When shaping the onigiri, wet your hands to prevent sticking. You don't need gloves, but they're recommended for hygiene if you are planning to pack these for later. Take a handful of rice, create a well, and add your favorite filling. Then cover with more rice. Shape into a triangle by pressing with your palms and holding your hands together. Once it's somewhat shaped, refine the triangle on a tray, then wrap in nori. You can roll the nori however you like. Repeat the process with all 4 fillings. And ta-da! Your onigiri are ready. I usually make onigiri without nori, so wrapping them was a new experience for me. And while some may not look perfect, but they all taste amazing. Packing too many filling can make them hard to shape and unintentionally enlarge them. It's surprising how deep the art of onigiri can be. They taste great even when cooled down, but are also wonderful when fresh. Try making them for a picnic or as a homemade meal. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you tried this recipe, we'd love to hear which onigiri filling captured your taste buds. So please drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering Japanese dishes. Happy eating, and until next time, keep those rice bowls roaring. Bye bye!